In this video, I'm going to demo some uh, support and trading functionalities and report functionalities that I didn't cover in previous videos. So when you come to Hotesoft.com and you log in and go to support and trading section, you have the option to create a support ticket. So I click this button, I can create a ticket, issue type, affected department, uh, so yeah, you have to create rooms up here. We clear the database so the rooms are gone. But under room management, if I create a room, I can um, give the room number or this room type, and then priority level, guest name. And so yeah, once you complete all that information, you can submit the support ticket. So let me go back here to the previous page. So under support and training, the other things that you can do, you can manage training. So apart from creating support tickets and uh, managing support tickets, you can also manage training. So under training here, I can create a course. And so, yeah, you can create a course, give it a title, description, duration, and then you can upload content. So after creating a course, you can do add lesson, and you would have to create a course first and then create the lesson. And the lesson can be uploaded in different formats. So actually, I think maybe what I want to do is manage categories first. So let's say that this is uh CRM management course. Or CRM management is a category name. And then how to automate tasks and run campaigns. Okay, so I can give it any description. So that maybe this is what the course is about, and I can choose an icon for it and then create the category. So once I've done that, I can now, it says the category has been created, so I can now create the course. So if I go to manage categories, you see now that I have this category created, and I can create a course under that category. So once I've selected that, okay, let's say that this is an intermediate course and managing CRM automation is the name of the course. Send emails, SMS, and WhatsApp. WhatsApp messages. Okay, so you can just give it some description, duration. Let's say 60-minute course. I can choose a thumbnail for it. And let me see if I have something that I can choose to use a thumbnail. But you can use anything. So like maybe let me use one of the flyers that I have here. Okay. I want something decent, but I don't know. So let me just use this. Okay, so you can choose something as your thumbnail, and then you create the save the course. Okay, it might take a, okay, so now that I've done that, you can see I have a course here, and then I can add a lesson to it. I can either click here to manage lessons, which brings this up, and then I can click add lesson, or I can add the lesson from here. So add lesson, I choose I have to choose a course. So actually let me go back here because this is specifically related to this course. So here I don't need to choose which course because it's related to this course. So lesson title, creating your first campaign, your first email campaign. And then duration is 10 minutes. And then lesson type, it can be video or text. Okay, so let's say that's a video. If it's a video, you can paste a YouTube video URL like that. Or if it's a text content, you can paste the content here. or if it's a document that you want to upload, then you have to choose the file from your computer. So let's say I want to use this document, so I save it. Okay, so you can create the content in different formats. So now I've created this lesson creating your first email. So now um, the course, I have one course that has one lesson in it, and let me see something. Okay, I have to make sure it's published. And so yeah, I can manage view courses. And if I go to view courses, this is the course that I just created, managing CRM automation. And I can start the course. So you can assign the courses to different users within your staff. And so if I were to start that course, in this particular case, the person who has been assigned this, if they logged in, they will be able to see the content associated with it. Okay, so yeah, you can upload different contents to the course, and the users will be able to watch them. So actually, when I chose the video, I randomly chose a YouTube URL to a video that we had published on YouTube. That's why it showed up here. So the person who goes through and watches it, they can mark it as completed. And so that's the gist of it, as you can create courses, add content for your staff to undergo training, and then you can keep track of who has completed the course or not completed. And so yeah, it's a way to manage your staff support and training. And if I go to reports here, let me see, I think let me go to reports here. So under reports, there are different kinds of reports. You have general reports, bookkeeping reports, revenue report, expense reports, guest reports, housekeeping reports. So if I go to general reports here, I can see there are 4 staff business. I haven't created rooms yet. Total guests, I created 1 guest. Bookings, payments, net revenue, food and beverages. So I can look at any of these reports by clicking on that, or I can go here, report list, look at a different report list. So if I click this staff here, it brings me to the staff report. I can export this to PDF or Excel format. If I go to revenue reports here, you can see I haven't created any revenue yet, but as you generate revenue items, you'll get a report of them here. And any expense reports, you can click on them here. These are also available under general reports here. If I go to this, yeah, I can come here and look at, so this is like a cash report. Yeah, so you can look at different reports. You can manage support and training. And we have various other features that I'll cover in separate videos on the CRM, which allows you to create campaigns and automations, or the channel manager, which allows you to connect to various booking channels. We're adding some more functionalities post MVP, but these are the yeah, there are other videos that I've created that show these other aspects of the software, I guess, list. And so stay tuned. I'll keep posting more videos as we continue to add more functionalities, but these are some of the functionalities that are already there. You can make a reservation and receive payments in different formats, Momo, bank, cash. You can track payments in different formats. So once you've created a reservation or booking, you can receive payments, and those are tracked in the reporting section and the payments for that particular aspect. So if it's a cash payment, you'll see it reflected in one of the reports here. If it's a booking or reservation, you'll see it on one of these reports. So that's it for now. I hope you got something out of this and stay tuned for the next video.